Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is a bear. This is a bear. A cow. This is a cow. A cow is a farm animal. A clownfish. This is a clownfish. The next one is shark. This is a shark. A scaly shark. The next one is a dog. This is a dog. A penguin. This is a penguin. A T-Rex. Dinosaurs Rex. This is a T-Rex. Cow. A cow is a farm animal. A pufferfish. King crab. This is a king crab. A scorpio. This is a scorpio. A dolphin. This is a dolphin. Giraffe. A shark. This is a shark. A scaly shark. This is a scaly shark.